English alphabets. A for apple, A-double-P-L-E, apple. B for bird, B-I-R-D, bird. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. D for dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. E for earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. F for frog, F-R-O-G, frog. G for giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. H for heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart. I for ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-M, ice cream. J for jug, J-U-G, jug. K for key, K-E-Y, key. L for leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. M for mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. N for notebook, N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. O for owl, O-W-L, owl. P for pig, P-I-G, pig. Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R for ring, R-I-N-G, ring. S for sun, S-U-N, sun. T for tree, T-R-E-E, tree. U for umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. V for violin, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. W for watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-L-O-N, melon, watermelon. X for xylophone, X-O-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Y for yacht, Y-A-C-T-H, yacht. Z for zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Thanks for watching.